So welcome back to Atomic Elevator. In this video, I'm going to cover competitive analysis, and I'm going to start with a couple of fundamental things. So you can always start with a new conversation. The reminder pops up here to say Ella won't remember anything in that conversation. So if you're going to analyze a competitor and your brand, you got to tell it again about your brand. So actually, I'm going to cancel out of that. I'm going to go down here to my client folder for Sauce North, and I've got a strategy folder in here, and I'm going to pick up the chat that we were using before on creating a positioning statement. And in that chat, we already taught Ella about Sauce North. So that's great. So let's start there because she has the context. Now, competitor analysis, we have suggested messages here, and one of them is to use Ella's experts to create a competitor analysis. So I'm going to click on that one. Click back on the screen. And so what this basically says is that she's going to ask me to present each competitor to her, and then she's going to build it into a table. So I'll start off that process. And then in the last video, what we did, we captured some of our competitors' information from their websites. So I'm going to add the first one here. It's my friend Mark's business, Fist Punch Foods. I'm going to say this is the first one. And Ella is going to read that copy of his website and start to kind of process that and get a sense on the difference between Sauce North and Fist Punch. So you can see she creates a table here, and then she's probably going to give us some summary and tell us, hey, what strengths you should leverage. So that's pretty cool. And now she's asking us to give her another competitor. So I'm going to add... this is Crybaby Craig's. So I'm going to tell her to check it out. And she's going to go off and do the same thing. And each time I give her one more competitor, she is going to give me a kind of comparison, Sauce North versus that competitor. And then once we get to the end and we give her all the competitors, we'll go back and ask her to do a competitor overview. So I'm going to pause the video and so it doesn't turn out too long, and I will add the other competitors and then we'll pick up. So I've now given Ella 5 different competitor websites, and as you can see, she's just finishing the last one, Red Eye Hot Sauce, and giving me a summary. So what I'm going to ask her next to do is to give me a big picture summary of the competitive situation. And so you can see she created a table here, and she's done an analysis of the different competitors, but she's also given me a sense of my differentiators and a summary just on her recommendations on what I do. So that's always useful. And I just wanted to encourage you as well to just explore things with her. So I'm going to give her a specific question. And, it could be anything, right? This is just an example. I'm trying to encourage you to just use the competitive positioning brain power that she has inside to try different analyses on your brands. You can also ask her to structure a report. You can ask her to create slides for you even. So super powerful. So I hope this has given you a little bit of inspiration on how to use our Ella for competitive research.